Okay, let's move on to part 6, pinyin. And how do we pronounce this one? This four? This one? It's a zhi, not ji, it's zhi. And we learn 中国. Yeah, 中国 zhi. Yeah, this one is 吃, it's to eat. 吃. Yeah. This one? 诗. Yeah, we learn 老师. Yeah, 师傅. Yeah, 老师. Yeah, we can write 师傅. Master, 师傅. And how do we read this one? Yeah, 日. Yeah, we learned what 日. 日子. Yeah, and we learn a country. 日本 or 日本人 Japanese, Japan, 日本. Yeah, 日本. Yeah, and what's this? Yeah, 星期日.
Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday. 星期日. Okay. Yeah, 星期日 Sunday. See, when we pronounce this one 支持是日, and we have to keep our tongue tip turned up. Yeah, your tongue tip turned up. Yeah. See, here is your tongue tip. See, up, turned up, your tongue tip. And also cooperate with the front part of the hard palate. This part is a hard palate. We have to use these two parts, hard palate and also the tongue tip. This one, zhi. Yeah, when we pronounce zhi, we have to keep our tongue tip turned up and connect with this hard palate. Zhi. Yeah. When we saying zhi and chi, the tongue tip first touch the hard palate. For zhi and chi, the tongue tip first touch the hard palate and then opens a gap to let the air flow. And try to pronounce that way. Your tongue tip turned up and touch with the hard palate, and then open, leaving a gap. Zhi. Yeah. Zhi. Yeah. Your tongue tip turned up. Zhi. Yeah. Yeah, zhi and chi. When we pronounce this one chi, there's much stronger airflow coming out. So we saying when saying zhi and chi, the tongue tip first touches the hard palate and then opens a gap to let the air flow. But when this one chi comes with a much stronger airflow, but the zhi doesn't. So first step is keep your tongue tip turned up and then touch the hard palate and then open.
Open.
Yeah, open. Let the airflow coming out. 知
吃
Yeah, 吃 when pronouncing 吃, there much
吃
stronger airflow here coming out.
吃
Yeah. 知中
中
吃吃
吃
Yeah, when we pronouncing 吃, we put our hand before your mouth. We can feel the strong airflow. This one 吃 Yeah. For 知 and 吃, our tongue tip touches the hard palate and then open. But for shi, this one tongue tip, this turned up tongue tip doesn't touch the hard palate. It's leaving a gap all along. See, these two parts not together. Shi, shi, yes, yeah. And for ri, different from shi, yeah, different from shi. Ri is pronounced with the vocal cords vibrate. This one, yeah, vibrating. This vocal, you have to keep your vocal cords vibrating. It's a difference of what this 知吃是日. See, when pronouncing this four, we have to use the tongue tip and hard palate. For 知 and 吃, the tongue tip, we have to keep our tongue tip turned up. Your tongue tip turned up. Yeah, for 知 and 吃, the tongue tip touches the hard palate and then leave a gap to let the airflow coming out. But 吃, the airflow is much stronger. Yeah. And when we pronouncing 诗, the tongue tip, the turned up tongue tip doesn't touch the hard palate. See, there's a gap here. 诗 and 日, see, 日. We have to keep, when pronouncing 日, we have to keep our vocal cords vibrating. Yeah. Please read after me. 请跟我读，请跟我读。知知中国
中国
呀呀，吃吃吃饭。
吃饭
What 吃饭？吃饭是什么？
eat rice.
饭 is here it means food. 米饭 is rice. 吃饭 is have meals. Eat meals. Yeah, eat food. 吃饭. And next one
吃
师老师
老师
师傅
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 and this one 日 yeah, when pronouncing 日 feel your vocals vibrating 日日本日本人
日本人
星期日
星期日
yeah 星期日 Please remember 支持是日 when pronouncing 支持是日 we have to use tongue tip and hard palate and also we have to keep our tongue tip turned up and before we learn 支持是 this three we have to use our tongue tip and the inner part of our upper teeth The parts, when pronouncing, the parts are different. So this z, c, s, and this one zhi, chi, shi, ri. You get it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, please practice this. 知知识 also hard to pronounce, but I
知
find there's no problem for you.
是是是
Yeah, yeah, like that. Okay, we are out of time, so that's all for our class.